Hello, and welcome to our captivating journey into the world of artificial intelligence. I'm Sarah, and I'm excited to be your guide as we delve into the world of ChatGPT, an exceptional language model by OpenAI. Throughout this series, we will explore the intricacies and the evolution of ChatGPT, examining how it's reshaping the landscape of technology and impacting our society. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious learner, or someone interested in the future of AI, this course promises to enrich your understanding and showcase the incredible potential of AI. Let's embark on this adventure and uncover the wonders of ChatGPT and its transformative capabilities together. In this segment, we focus on defining ChatGPT and its significant role in the evolving landscape of AI. ChatGPT, developed by the innovative minds at OpenAI, is a masterpiece in language processing, capable of understanding and generating text akin to human conversation. It's an advanced member of the GPT series, known for their exceptional language comprehension capabilities. What sets ChatGPT apart is its remarkable fluency in conversation, making it a versatile tool across numerous domains, from enhancing customer service to spurring creativity in writing. It bridges the gap between human communication and machine intelligence, revolutionizing our interaction with technology in unprecedented ways. Let's take a journey through the history of AI and the evolution of language models that have paved the way for ChatGPT. The quest of AI, beginning in the mid-20th century, has seen an extraordinary transformation, evolving from simple, rule-based algorithms to the sophisticated neural networks of today. At the heart of this transformation are language models. Initially limited to basic syntax, these models have evolved to comprehend complex language subtleties and context. ChatGPT stands as a landmark in this evolution, encapsulating years of AI research and development. It represents an advanced understanding of human language, reflecting the remarkable progress in AI and natural language processing. In this final segment, we explore the transformative impact of ChatGPT on our daily lives and its potential for the future. ChatGPT is not just a technological breakthrough, it's a tool reshaping how we interact, learn, and work. Its applications are diverse, enhancing customer service experiences, providing personalized learning tools, and offering support in mental health and creative industries. Looking to the future, ChatGPT's potential is vast. It's set to revolutionize information access, automate routine tasks, and democratize education and knowledge, making it more accessible to all. The journey with ChatGPT is just beginning, and the possibilities it presents are as vast as our imagination. Thank you for joining me on this introductory journey into the world of ChatGPT. In our upcoming sessions, we will dive deeper into the technical mechanics, real-world applications, and the ethical dimensions of this transformative technology. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the rapidly evolving world of ChatGPT. See you in our next episode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.